on mobile because both of our computers are being glitchy. So now I guess we're playing soccer. Ooh, coins. Hey! Meanies.
Oh, did you know we're in this server and this person banned me from the server? And now
Yeah, they're so mean.
Well, let's go hate on them.
No, we're gonna get copyrighted.
Don't subscribe to...
No, don't. No, we're gonna get copyrighted.
Don't subscribe to N.
I'm putting money everywhere. Baldi!
Subscribe to NR. They made me sad and I don't like them anymore. And they have more subscribers, but don't worry, my friend has turned in something.
That's not your friend. Angel Plays Roblox is not your friend.
No. Angel plays Roblox XOXO. Guys, let me tell you the story. So I met her online in Roblox and we've been friends for 2 years. And then, I asked my mommy. Just kidding, I'm trying to be funny. Then and then we made a deal that we would have Discord together and we would talk, and we did. So we've been talking. Oh, you want proof?
Okay.
Okay, let me call her.
Can you add me to Discord anyway?
She's not proof.
Look at the slide.
Okay.
There's a slide.
Oh, and she's friends with me.
I didn't get to go on the slide.
Oh my god, I'm in
Help! I'm in a
Wait,
tornado.
I don't think she's online. Shoot. She's not online.
Or she unfriended you.
What are we getting? No, she's not online.
Don't touch the lava. No! I failed.
What lava? I don't see lava.
There was lava. The red part.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Uh-oh, what's that? What's what? Alien, mwahaha, you mortal. I feel you, meteor rain.
So somebody friended me on Discord, and people have been saying that some people are hackers and will track down it. So I just declined their friend request. No, and on Roblox by accident, I meant to jump.
No, I'm dying. Okay, I almost died. Look.
Look at me, I'm more beautiful.
I have a baby in my hands. I cannot let my baby die.
But I look like not Leah. I mean, Leah.
Stop. I'm going to get copyrighted.
Editor, please blue the name out.
Blur. Do you want to say your editor's name? I think they're going to blur out their name, though. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Jessica. Do you think they're going to blur it with the alarm?
Why is our game glitching? Wait, if there's an earthquake, you want to go?
I'm just TPing it. Look, I have money. Wait, what's going on? Oh, we have swords. No, help me.
I'm actually really good at
Someone's chasing me.
I'm chasing someone.
Killed me.
Oh, I killed everyone.
How does someone have a sword? Someone has a sword already.
I'm going to kill the bacon. No! I was so close, I died.
Someone's killing us here.
I was the third person.
I'm dropping all the money. See, I have the money bag.
Where'd you get that money?
I bought it from this game.
How'd you buy it?
Robux.
How'd you buy it? No, ugly. How much?
Coins.
Tell me.
Look, it's a map. What?
Don't touch it. It's a prank.
Oh. Wow, we're floating.
How'd you get the money bag?
Press on the shop thingy, coin shop, and you'll see it at the very, very bottom.
It's 2,000. How much is 2,000 coins?
A lot of coins.
Yeah, but how do you buy it?
Game Pass shop.
What is it? Oh shoot, I didn't read the title properly. How do I get
Well, then you read bad. No, my money's gonna go away.
Yee!
I made it! I made it. Wait, did I go the wrong way? Haha, losers. I got a crown. Oh my gosh. I got a crown on my head. That means I'm the best. You can dress up your avatar in here? This sucks.
Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, I'm not gonna dress up my avatar.
How are they dying?
Wait, I don't see myself. Oh, I'm big! I'm gonna kill you, Mochi Robloxer. Where's my money bag?
How do
Okay,
you
there.
kill people?
You go like, I got money, 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 money. You have to collect coins or collect my money.
I already collected 15.
Haha, these people have big heads.
Wait, how do you buy coins?
You go like, a little eat. Unicorn, 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 unicorn.
Where? Unicorn. Unicorn, take me. I'm pink.
I'm pretty.
The unicorn just collapsed.
And there's coins all over the place and you have to get
There's a
them.
bomb. I thought the bomb was coins.
Same. The orange things are coins. Oh no, people are getting them. Come on, people. These are mine coins.
I don't see any.
Some girl keeps getting
How
the
do you
coins.
buy coins? I'm so confused.
You don't buy them, they come. See, one coin's right here. Oh, that girl got it.
I got a coin.
Cool. Rainbow, rainbow. Are we gonna turn into poop?
No, there's a target at the bottom.
No, it fell.
Me too. This is red. Only people who are yellow can do it. Look.
What do you mean? Hey!
It went away. I see coin.
Beep beep. What does that mean? Oh, run. Hi. Do you want some money? I can always give you some money if you would like. Wait, never mind. No. They kill me. Why is the truck floating? Oh my god. What was that? Dance party. What? Dance party. What?
We can dance.
Ah!
Oh, I almost died.
I made it.
I got the coin.
Stop pressing the button, people. Oh, somebody go in the cannon. Wait, that was fun. Wait,
Wait.
why am I not going back? Okay, there.
Yeah, I had to jump off so we can get out.
Money, money,
So
money.
you can't buy coins?
You can't. You can't. I mean, you can press on the game passes and buy no boost.
That's messed up.
Cats.
Daddy.
You can press on boosts. You can press on boosts and 500 coins cost 300 Robux.
We're playing with the soccer ball. Oh, this is so easy. All you have to do is get the soccer ball and the ball.
I have so much money. Yeah, you win, soccer ball. Oh, I know, that was sitting on me.
I see a coin and I got it. I'm more excited about the coins in the game.
What do you mean? We can buy noobs.
Anyway.
Become tiny. Only one life only. That sucks. Lava's raising, quick.
Wait, I didn't get it. It didn't give me enough time.
I know, because it's rising. I made it. Money, 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 money.
It's down.
I'm putting money everywhere. Are you under the lava?
You're weird. Yeah, no, I'm right next to you.
No, you're not.
I see you. Hi.
I don't see
Phew,
you.
I fell through the lava. I'm jumping so I can. Yes, I stayed alive. Totally.
Yeah, I saw you on top of me. Some people wanted their heads to be popped. Ha ha, losers. They killed me. That
I
was
didn't
me.
get killed.
Why does this girl look ugly?
What is?
Stand in the middle.
What's happening? Wait, are we just stand? Oh, I didn't notice that.
My money. Haha, everyone's dying. I'm still alive. Me and this guy
No, I
survived.
saw you. Said your name. What's that?
My baby is still alive. That's wonderful. Baldi, hi Baldi.
Wait, you have a baby? I never noticed.
You're
Is your
so
baby
mean,
ugly?
you know what? You're not gonna be my whatever you are to me.
Oh,
Wait.
it's so tiny.
Look at my money. Look at my money. Look at my money.
Why am I the only big one?
Look at my money.
Hi.
Do you see how big
I'm the
my
only
money
big
is?
one.
I stole so much money. Coins.
Oh, I saw a coin. Okay, what's happening to you? Are you okay?
No, I'm dead.
Tuzami is coming. Fast. Get to safety. What's a Tuzami again?
A big water
Oh
thing.
yeah, the water one.
Have you ever been into
Oh
zombies
shoot, I'm a
before?
mama.
Same.
No, I've been in a hurricane. It was so scary, I almost died. Shoot, I almost died here. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
I've been in a lockdown, a real lockdown. And I've been in a fire before.
Died.
I survived.
I've never been in a fire, but I went to Disney World and then in like Florida or something, and then there's like dangerous weather there. Oh shoot!
No! I'm on mobile. Stop it.
No, I'm a mobile and I'm.
Oh, you go in the middle. Go in the middle. Ha ha ha! I'm cheating.
Really? What?
Yeah, you should look where I'm standing. I'm cheating.
Yeah, I'm on top of you.
No,
I'm
you're
like
not.
exact. I'm trying
Oh
to
yeah, I see you. Hi.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
not the.
lying with you.
Why am I the only one alive? Oh, that guy's trying to come to me. You know what, guy? Ugh, you made it. You're so disgusting.
Copycat. Give me that coin. But I want the money back too.
Hey, the bridge is falling apart. Get to the other side. Okay. Whoop. 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 Why is that person invisible? How do you become invisible?
That was easy.
Shop? How do I become invisible? Coin shop?
He stole my money.
Where do you become invisible? Silly stilts. You earn the scholarship to Clown College in no time. I want to buy this. It's 300 coins though. Oh, I'm gonna get coins. I need coins. How did I die?
Oh, I died. Me either. How did we die?
How are we dying?
Oh, there's bombs.
I just got a coin.
I'm hiding. I'm behind the bush.
Well,
Oh, wait,
that's it for this video. That's it for
You
this
are
video.
so lucky. Wait, are we skydiving?
Yeah.
Oh, we just fell out of the map.
Well, that's it for this video. Bye, guys. See the video.